the くるみアロマ。What's your name?
Olivier, Jason.
Jason.
Olivier.
Olivier. Very nice. And where are you from?
From France.
France. Oh, very France. Is this your first visit Japan?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, yes. Is Japan good?
Yes, very good.
Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. Where do you like the best area in Japan? Area.
Je sais pas, non, non,
In Japan, do you like Ueno Park?
Yes, yes.
Ueno Park, very good. Why do you like Ueno Park?
We went to the zoo.
To the zoo? Oh.
And we are going to the museum.
Oh, museum. Oh, hello. Oh, friend. Friend.
Yes,
Very
yeah.
friend.
We are friends.
Hello.
Venez, venez.
Hello.
Dites bonjour.
Friend です。友達です。Friend. My name is くるみアロマ。Is this your first visit Japan? Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Bonsoir, ne se cache pas.
Australia? Australia.
C'est quoi vos noms?
Oh, do you like Ueno Park? Ueno Park, very nice. Thank you very much. I want you to try with me my pose. With me pose. Try with me, okay? みんなで。Thank you very much. With me pose. Pose. Thank you very much. Pose. ありがとうございます。Ueno Park is very nice.